Okay, today we're going to cut a hole in this ceiling just here. I've sort of marked it out. I don't know if you can see that. There's no loft hatch in this house, so you can see it's an old ceiling. It's probably lath and plaster. So up there, this house is probably about 100 years old. So you can guarantee there's going to be lots of dust. So we've covered everything up with polythene, as you can see. Put a dust sheet down on the floor. But what you can guarantee, and I always warn the customers of this, we're going to have lots of dust coming down once we cut this hole out. So we'll get the hole cut out, let the dust settle, and then we'll put our wooden frame in to create our loft hatch. And then we're going to fit a 3-section aluminium ladder. Then I'm going to fit a door to the hatch, and then we're going to put some floorboards up there in the loft so you can walk around up there. So, speak to you later. Okay, there's our hole cut out now, and sure enough, I'm black as the ace of spades, and so is my dust sheet. It was quite dusty. It's had a new roof put on it sometime, and all the old rubble and stuff was just laying on top of the loft, you know. So there's the hole cut out. We see some wires there that may have to be rerouted. They're lighting cables, them 1.5mm twin and earth lighting cables. We've only had to cut one joist out, as you can see, which is better because the less joists you cut out, you're not weakening the ceiling. So as you can see there, we've just cut one joist out. So we'll use that span going across for the width of our new loft hatch. And I'm going to make the overall, or I've made the overall opening 900mm long. It won't be that when it's finished because we've got the width of the frame to come off that. But that'll be plenty of space to get stuff up and down. There's no obstructions to our ladder. Everything looks okay. So I'm going to get on with making the frame now, and then we'll fit the ladder itself. Okay. Okay, now we have our frame in place, and we have a door attached to the frame, which opens downwards in order for us to now fit a loft ladder. This one is a 2 from floor to ceiling is 2.8 meters. Now for a 2-section ladder, the maximum is 2.7 meters. So for this one, we're going to use a 3-section ladder, which is just there in its wrapper, ready to be unwrapped. This ladder you see here is just my step ladder. So the next job is to fit this 3-section loft ladder into that opening. So we'll have a look in about half an hour and see the loft ladder working. Okay, thank you, bye. So here's the ladder fitted, and we're just going to open the door now. So here we are inside the loft now. The inside of this loft hasn't been seen for about 40 odd years apparently. We've laid down some insulation, as you can see. We're now going to put some floorboards down so you can walk around, and a bit of storage space. Rightio, and then we're just going to put a trim around the loft hatch, and we're done. Okay, so now we've put some architrave around the loft hatch, which just finishes it off nicely. Just see a little bit of filling in we need to do around the architrave just to finish off. So that's that done. More or less everything's finished here now. Basically now, as we've shown you before, you get the pole slots in, 1/4 turn, and the door opens. We then hook the pole onto the bottom rung of the ladder. Nice hard pull, and the ladder comes down. So we can reach it then. So you can pull it down with our hand. We then have some locks here and here. Release these two. Once we release this one, as you can see, we release that one, the ladder slides down, and then we release it again, and the ladder slides down again. We then release the next one, put the ladder into position, and then, as you can see, ready to climb. This particular ladder is a deluxe model. It has the safety handrail just here. It's a 3-section aluminium ladder. This one's made by Abru, one of the best ladder manufacturers in the country. And then basically, same again to, before you climb these ladders, you always need to make sure that these locks are in place, just here. And to push it back up, release them. Release that one. Same again with this one. And just lock these in place, just for added safety. And the ladder is now ready to go up into the loft. Push it up by hand to start with, and then just get the pole and finish it off with the pole. Once it's in place, then hook the pole into the locking mechanism, 1/4 turn to the right, and it's shut. Thank you.